Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to view Captions Transcript in YouTube on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open YouTube on your PC by launching the application or visiting the YouTube website. Step 2. Open a video on YouTube that has captions available. Step 3. Go to the video description and click Show Transcript. As the video plays, the transcript will scroll, displaying the current caption text. Step 4. To navigate to a specific part of the video, simply click on any line of caption text in the transcript. Note: some videos allow you to search within the transcript by typing specific keywords in the search bar at the top. And that's how you view Captions Transcript in YouTube on your PC. It's a handy feature that helps you follow along with the video's captions and easily navigate to specific parts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative tutorials. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.